want to see how baby animals eat their food? Watch closely. Baby cow. Moo! Baby alligator.
Shauna, you took a handful. You took a huge handful.
Well, I don't have that much. No.
Okay, you just get this time. No! This time you're going to have to do it properly because we haven't got much left and this is still rolling.
Fine. You're getting on my nerves now. Daddy, we have not finished our supper.
Wait.
It's not fair. Seriously. You want to see how animals eat their food? Watch closely. Moo! Cow.
Okay, now we have to start again.
You're not allowed to.
Wait.
You want to see how animals eat their food? Watch closely, man. You want to see how animals eat their food? Sorry.
Ready? We can get in place.
You want to see how animals eat
Stop it now, stop it, seriously. And we're rolling, sorry. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Stop.